Are we recording? What up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be my second video. We're doing an unboxing of the Air Jordan 1 Dior lows. Yeah. And so we're just going to basically go over, unbox them, show you what comes inside, and a little bit of the details of the shoe. As you can see, bang. And this is the, oh, look at that thing. Super dope, super sick. Whew. Sheesh. So so basically got offered to buy the shoe through a sweepstakes. Obviously, who's ever probably tried to get a shoe off sneakers or Adidas, whatever, it's caught an L. Luckily, the biggest dub I ever got was this one. So, you entered in. It was only at select locations across the U.S., only at Dior stores. So, no Nike, anything like that. It was strictly a Dior product. My friend in Oregon, who's a bigger sneakerhead than me, always helps me out. Shout out to Snacks. He didn't even have a chance to basically even enter because there was no location in Oregon. I don't even know if Seattle was close enough for him. Luckily, he lived in LA, so I had two locations, one in Beverly Hills, one in Orange County, South Coast Plaza. South Coast Plaza is actually where I ended up picking up my shoes. So they called me. They're like, "Oh, hello, this is Jessica. Like, you've won the Dior sweepstakes." I'm like, what? Let's go. But yeah, so super pumped for that. It was really exciting. Just a little bit about the shoe before we go straight into the unboxing. Only 8,500 pairs were made. My number was 4,552. But on High Snob Society, it says 5 million people applied to even get the chance, or like applied to the sweepstakes. So it gave me a 0.0000002% chance of getting picked. I don't know what happened, but who cares? Like, I got picked. It was dope. These were the first Jordans made in Italy since 1968, or November 1968. So the first pair of Jordans made in Italy, which is like just another detail about the shoe that makes them super sick. The last pair was Jordan 2s to be made in Italy. Just a super clean design, and I just thought this was something that I could go over and show you guys for a sweet video. Awesome, enjoy. Okay, so here we go with the unboxing. As you can see, Air Dior, super nice. It's made in like a pretty sturdy box with some like nylon-y or like some woven type feel. It's not like regular cardboard. Very luxurious, very over the top. Can't say I'm not a fan of it because I completely am. Then the box opens with like a magnetic. You can hear it kind of close right there, so that's a nice little touch. Then we open. Have the receipt here, Dior, very official. Let's put that off to the side. Then you get these two Air Dior bags, super nice. I think they're made for carrying or something, like when you're traveling, or I'm not really sure what they're for. I have them with some Gucci slippers as well. I think it's just like a nice little luxury touch that they give you with all of the nicer designer items. Like I said, I'm not really sure. Then you got, your stuffing paper here. It has Dior. I don't know if you guys can see it, all over the paper. Always a nice little touch. It's all about the details with these luxury items, right? And then here we go. Oh, there's one, look at that. Boom. Very nice looking, as you guys can see. Focus in there. Very, very official. You got the Air Dior right there on the back, and then this side, we'll go into it more in a bit, but that's just one shoe. Then you open to the other side. Here's the other shoe, same thing, looking very fresh. Got your Dior there, and then I missed it on this one. You got your Air Dior on this one, but it's probably better if you see it this way. Air Dior, super cool. Then you got two other insoles, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see here. They got the Dior right there all over. If you want to change those in, super dope. And then lastly, you got another pair of shoelaces in this bag, which are just white. Nothing too super special, just the woven white. And then two little chains that I've seen that you can put on the shoes. This one's an Air Jordan or Air Dior one. Not my favorite one, but the second one obviously is just dope. got the freaking Jumpman. Yeah, there you go. Kind of get the gleam right there. It's freaking sweet. And yeah, that's basically just the unboxing of the shoe. And then we'll go into some of the details here in a minute. So here they are, everybody. The luxurious Air Jordan Dior 1 Lows. Just looking beautiful as ever, sexy as ever. So first off, we're just gonna start going around the shoe and just show you all the intricate details that make this shoe just super sick. We'll start here on the swoosh. As you guys can see, super dope, super clean design. You got the pattern design inside the actual swoosh called Dior Oblique, which is the name of the pattern. First awesome detail about the shoe is the Nike swoosh generally on other Jordan 1 Lows is never this big. The Dior designers actually got clearance to make this swoosh way bigger than it would be on a normal Jordan 1. Generally that swoosh would stop here or here, maybe even here, but it would never be this large on a normal Jordan 1. So the fact that they got clearance for that is super cool. It looks super clean, fits the shoe perfectly if I must say so myself, just really dope design. Going back to the swoosh pattern, inside the swoosh was hand woven and is named Dior Oblique, like we mentioned earlier. I believe it says Dior and then the black highlight was stitched over to outline that swoosh right there. As we move toward the back of the shoe, you can see that Air Dior logo. They got it cleared from Nike to actually use Air Dior instead of Jordan, which is just like the nice little touches that take the shoe from being a regular sneaker to something more luxurious. There's a really premium feel to the shoe. The leather feels super high quality. And in an interview with Sean Wotherspoon and Thibaut Dennis, Dennis actually mentioned they increased the thickness of the leather from a regular Jordan. And in the same interview, Thibaut said they wanted to make it look almost like a Dior handbag with painted edges and big stitching. And I feel like they really nailed what they were going for with that look. Now we're going to move to the tongue. As you guys can see, you got another Nike Dior logo. This is my favorite combo logo they made. It looks really clean, super cool. Then you got the Jumpman logo inside the heel right here on inside of the sole. You guys can't see it here. I'll try to get another angle of it, but you got this tongue right here and it's hand woven with that same Dior Oblique pattern, and it's a nylon material that feels super over the top luxury for a tongue of a shoe. Just makes you, it's awesome, makes you feel like $1,000,000, like you're in a really designer shoe. We're gonna move to the bottom now. Boom, you got that blue translucent Dior right there. Really awesome branding, super sick. I love it. I love the little details that went into making the shoe. This is one of my personal favorites. And it's just, you know, just something that looks really, really nice and gives it a little extra flair. On the other shoe I'm showing you right here, that was the right shoe. We're gonna move over to the left shoe. We're gonna flip these around a little bit. Yeah. So hold on, here we go. So right here on the other side of the shoe, instead of that Jumpman, we have the Dior on that insole. And then basically, what I'm gonna show you guys is that inside, shoes are generally made with a microfiber cloth base on the bottom right here, but as you can see here, you have the Dior embossed leather, which is a natural leather that the Italian patent maker who made the shoes offered to do instead of the microfiber to just add just another level of quality to the shoe. They did an amazing job. As you can see, it says Dior. And it's that Dior Oblique pattern that we were just talking about that's on the inside of the swoosh right there. So in that interview, Thibaut Dennis and Sean Wotherspoon were actually saying to each other, they don't know if a shoe has ever been done with the leather as the bottom part of the insole. Generally it's microfiber. So it just goes to show you the lengths that they went to really change the quality of the shoe from like a normal Nike to a really nice high-end designer footwear, something that could be compared to like a Balenciaga or a Christian Louis Vuitton or something like that. So it's just a really premium shoe, to be honest. It just looks great. And Sean even pointed out for that these shoes, when you're using them and breaking them in and walking around in them, you kind of get your foot configured to the shoe and keep applying the pressure to the insoles, that the bottom of this insole, or this kind of more memory foam insole that comes along with it, it'll kind of make an imprint on the bottom of the removable sole that you pick of that Dior Oblique pattern on the bottom. And it's just amazing. Like, I don't even know if they intended to do that, but it's just super crazy that that could be another level of detail that they went to in this shoe. You know what I'm saying? So obviously the bottom of the left shoe, we got another translucent blue with the Air Dior branding and the Jordan Weens. This one looks awesome. Again, just awesome branding, so sick. Just such a premium crossover by Nike and Dior, and just honestly like a hypebeast dream. Like honestly, like it just crosses that that tint of luxury, and then just that streetwear look that everybody's going for, and that's really in nowadays. And to finally wrap this up, on the inside of the shoe, you have these plastic shoe holder things that, you know, that kind of keep the hold of the shoe, whatever you want to call it. And it just goes to show the level of the detail. You got the little Jumpman logo on there, and you know, it's just way over the top of any other Jordan shoe that's ever been made. It's super awesome, just super sick. Okay, so that's it, guys. Obviously, you can see these shoes are super sick. I really enjoyed doing a video on this, just to be able to have like such a coveted or limited edition product and be able to review it for you guys has been really cool for me. I am unfortunately selling these shoes. I can't keep these. I haven't worn them. I barely touched them because the profit to resell these is super high. Yeah, so I can't keep them. I wish I could, but I really can't. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you got to do to help out the channel. It really helps me out. I'm going to keep pumping these out as quickly as I can, and I hope you guys are here for the ride. Thank you so much. Peace.